Hi guys, in this video I want to compare Kimi K3 with the Sonnet 5 by creating problem solving website. Okay, let's go. Okay, when I go with this to this website, I added Kimi 3 in this side and the Sonnet on this side. By getting this nice prompt, I hit send and let's see. It start working. Okay, as you can see, the work is finished. For the Kimi K3, it takes around 8 minutes, and for the Sonnet 5, it takes around 1 minute to finish the work. Okay, let's see our website. Okay, open it from here. Okay, this is the Kimi K3. Let's show the Sonnet. Okay, let's make it this in this side and one in this side. Okay, let's begin with the navbar. As you can see, the Kimi K3 is have a nice design with a nice nav bar. The structure of the website of the Kimi K3, it looks very modern and good, a lot than the Sonnet 4.6, Sonnet 5, sorry. Look at it. The Sonnet 5 is makes it very simple. For example, the charts. Let's see the Kimi K3. Where is? Okay, look at this. The nice design. Okay, thank you guys for watching. This is all for this tutorial.